Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to use filters or effects on your TikTok live. It's very easy. Now let's get started with the process. The first step to take guys is to open your TikTok application and then click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. Select the live option, and just before you click on the go live button, if you look closely around here, you see this effects icon. Click on it, and here you're going to find tons of effects or filters you can make use of, and each of these filters or effects has different ways of using it, right? So for example, if you choose this first one right here, rather let me choose this one. So once you click on it, it will take like some seconds to download. So once you see the red frame around the effects, you know it's been installed, and now you can tap on your screen, and as you can see, the effect is already displayed. So I'm going to click on go live. And now once I'm live, as you can see, this is how it works. Alright, so guys, this is how you can actually make use of effects or filters on your TikTok live. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.